Hi everybody, this is David with Selman Home Inspections, doing a home inspection over in Lancaster, Texas today. Wanted to point out a couple of important features that homes should currently have under current building standards for garage doors. So here we go. Under current building standards, the garage entry door to the home should have self-closing hinges installed. You can get those at the hardware store to replace these hinges. Just replace the hinges with those that are spring-loaded so that this door will open and close. As you can see, this door is not equipped with those, and it is a newer standard, so that would be an improvement for this door. Garage entry doors should also have really good weather stripping. You can see the weather stripping on this door to the garage is damaged, maybe some pet damage or just wear, not sure. But I really don't want any air penetration between the garage and the living space through the garage door, so replacing any damaged weather stripping around that door is very important. Prevents vehicle storage area fumes from entering the living space. So there you have it, a couple of quick tips to help you keep you and your family safe through making some enhancements and improvements to your garage entry door. Thanks and have a great day.